There you go. Let's see how y'all do. Okay, reel it in, Marcella.
Look, you're freaking sinking. Oh, gross. What? Something's stuck on here. And fire!
There goes Volkers. Well, you want to try and keep it in the water. Okay. Hey, you guys shouldn't be across from each other, because then you're trying to hit your sister. Why don't you go over there? Don't hit the dog. Good job. Go ahead and shoot it. You got it where? Oh, wait. Oh, you did, didn't you?
Yes.
That's what y'all ought to do. Caitlin, get over there. Y'all try and make it land into the hot tub. Uh-oh, you caught a dog. Are you reeling it in, Volker? Almost did. Come here, Sandy. Come here. There we go. Good job. That fish got away from the dog. Oh, look at that. Volker, try and hit the hot tub. Right there. What was that, Marcella? Yeah, I see it right here. Oh, look at that one. Awesome shot, Volker. But try and make it land in the pond. In the little bitty pond. The hot tub. Not me. Yeah, the wind blew it, didn't it? I think you were trying to hit me. Oh, there's that wind again. Yes, you did, Volker. I see your fishy swimming away. Oh! I'm being attacked by flying butterfly. Whoa! Okay, can all three of you throw it at the same time?